Hey, what's up guys, Adam Lobo here and you're watching Adam Lobo TV. Now I was invited by Xiaomi Malaysia to check out the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3. So here's my first impressions of the phone. Now starting from the phone's design, looking at the back, the phone has a ceramic finish where you find a fingerprint scanner placed at the back on a very nice position with the aluminium built at the sides, and the dual cameras are placed at the back on a vertical position towards the left side of the device. Now there's no IP rating for the phone, but there is the wireless charging, which apparently the charger also comes together with the phone, which is a super nice thing. Now the phone comes in with 3 colors for you guys to choose from. There's sapphire blue, black, and the one which I saw and I had on my hands is the jade green. Now as for the screen, it is a 6.39-inch Super AMOLED display which looks really nice with a resolution of 1080 by 2340, a 19.5 by 9 aspect ratio and a stunning 93.4% screen to body ratio. As for the ports, there is the volume button and the power button on the right, and then there's the extra button on the left which brings up the Xiaomi voice assistant, where they might be working with Google soon to make that the Google Assistant button, and next to it there's the SIM card slot, the USB-C port down below together with the stereo speakers, and no, there's no headphones jack. Now as for the camera specs, the main camera is a 12 megapixel f1.8 wide lens and the secondary camera is a 12 megapixel telephoto lens. And looking right inside of the camera's app, other than the typical modes like panorama and also the portrait mode, there's also the night mode, which is also becoming some of the standards in most phones out right now. And of course there's the AI mode inside as well. Now if you guys are wondering where the front camera is, since there's no ugly notch in front, well, here's a feature which is ultra cool, where you need to snap the phone down, which reveals the 2 cameras right in front, which is a 24 megapixel f2.8 aperture and a 2 megapixel depth sensor, which also doubles up as a face unlock. Now as for the insides of the phone, it has the Snapdragon 845 chipset, which is really nice, with the options of either 256 gigs of storage with 8 or 10 gigs of RAM, or 128 gigs of storage with 6 or 8 gigs of RAM, which is really impressive. Now in terms of software, it comes shipped with Android 9 Pie, which is another welcoming feature with the Mi UI skin, so you will get the whole entire Mi UI experience for the overall navigations. Then the phone is also powered with a 3200 mAh of battery, and of course I'll hopefully get my hands on the device to do a full battery test and of course a full video review of the phone. And speaking of which, do let me know what you guys would like to know about the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3 down at the comment section below, and as usual I'll reply every single questions of yours in my full video review of the phone. Aside from that, thank you so much for watching this quick first impressions of the phone. If you guys like this video and found this video helpful, be sure to like and share this video, and of course subscribe to Adam Lobo TV if you haven't done so. Don't forget to hit the bell icon just next to it to get notified for my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. This is Adam Lobo and I'll catch you guys really soon.